Rishi Sunak will announce a £1.4 billion fund to attract more overseas investment into the UK economy when he presents his budget on Wednesday, in what is a major boost for Brexit Britain. The huge announcement will be mainly targeted at boosting sectors such as life sciences and electric vehicle production. The Chancellor will also outline plans to attract highly skilled foreign workers and change regulations aimed at making the path for international companies to relocate to the UK much smoother. Overseas firms with strategically important investment proposals will be provided with grants to help boost their schemes, once they have been assessed to ensure they provide value for the UK taxpayer. Mr. Sunak said, "We want to make the UK the best place in the world to start, grow and invest in a business, as we continue to support enterprise, create jobs, and level up as we recover from the pandemic." The package to be announced in the House of Commons this week will detail a plan to attract science and tech talent into Britain. A special team will team up with UK businesses and research institutions to identify skills gaps, while also offering support to skilled workers who wish to move to country from universities, innovation centres and research institutions elsewhere in the world. This will initially launch next year in the US in San Francisco and Boston, as well as Bengaluru in India. Boris Johnson's government want to introduce new rules that would make it easier for foreign companies to move to the UK. A change in the rules would bring it on a par with likes of Canada, New Zealand and Switzerland. The soon-to-be-announced initiatives have been welcomed by the CBI Business Group, which speaks on behalf of 190,000 firms. Its chief economist Rain Newton-Smith said, "If the recovery is going to bed in for the longer term, then we need to get businesses investing. So this scheme hits the spot when it comes to some of our most innovative industries in the UK. Businesses will be hopeful that there will be more to come from the Chancellor to help get firms investing." The UK has always been an attractive location for top talent, with labour shortages biting in sectors from the lower skilled to the high. This new network could prove a useful tool in some of our most exciting, higher skilled industries alongside much needed funds to spur global investment into the UK. Last week, the Tory government hosted some 200 business leaders in London for a global investment summit. It included a dinner with the Prime Minister for the 20 most influential business leaders. This was followed by a reception with the Queen at Windsor Castle as part of plans to persuade multinational companies to get involved in the UK. The EY Consulting Group has said most UK businesses want Mr. Sunak to centre the budget around attracting overseas investments to the country. More than half of the 1,000 plus firms surveyed believe the Chancellor should also use tax incentives to encourage green tech or carbon taxes, or both. Elsewhere, business groups have cautiously welcomed reports the COVID Recovery Loan Scheme, which offers loans of up to £10 million to companies finding it difficult during the pandemic, is set to run until next June. But Suren Thiru, head of economics at the British Chambers of Commerce, which has around 80,000 members on its books, warned, the acid test for the scheme will be whether it is able to support the recovery by getting credit flowing to the firms who need it most.